Hi guys, welcome back to day 4 of JP's woodworking tips, and today I'm going to show you how to safely crosscut on your table saw. Your table saws probably come with one of these little mitre guides which lets you cut wood from 0 degrees, 30 or even 45 depending on the saw. They sit in the track saw here, and some are better than others. Some have a little bit of a wobble on. This one has a little bit of a wobble on, and there's a couple of things you can do. First of all, you can screw a piece of scrap wood to the mitre gauge, just give you a little bit of a bearing area. Of course, and if you really fancy, you can put a little length stop on there. Basically in operation looks like that. Put a couple of short screws in this just to... now looks like that. Now trim that off. I'm going to leave the guard on, as I said yesterday. It's always advantageous. You'll never be sorry that you've left it on. So that's a little zero tolerance now. We can sneak past the blade. Now this is the most important thing. So I want to cut these, and I want to cut some blocks that are 100mm. Now it's tempting to move your fence to 100mm. If you do that, however, and again I'll take the crown guard off so you can just see what I'm pointing out here. If I make that cut up to the fence, nice 100mm cut, make the cut, when I'm past the blade, that piece then is stuck between the blade and the fence, and there's a really good chance that that's going to come back at you, and come back at you very fast. So you don't want to do that. So the best thing to do is to get a piece of scrap timber. Anything will do. Let me find a piece. 18mm timber, bit of MFC. Put that against the fence, put a clamp against the fence, and then because that's 18mm, now move my fence outwards 18mm, and then when I make my cut I can reference to that, and then when I make my cut I've got all this space for this piece of wood then to pass the blade. Take the guide back off. Now you can see there is plenty of space there. If I hadn't have done that, them pieces of timber would have been trapped there between the blade and the fence, and there's a good chance that they would have kicked back at you, which is very unpleasant. So there you go guys, tip number 4. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.